Hello friends, I welcome all of you into my course Cisco Nexus Training from Beginner till Advanced. My name is Ashish and I will be your instructor for this. First of all, let me tell you why I should buy this course. The main reason is that in Udemy platform, this course carries the tag of bestseller. That means it is being bought by most number of students in this category of Nexus. 7,300 students have enrolled into it within 6 months, and you can see that nearly 1,400 people have given appropriate rating and feedback. You will be able to read all those things in the course landing page. Overall rating is 4.44. The length of this course is nearly 19 hours. I have performed all of the labs on real hardware of Nexus 2K, 5K, 7K, 9K. I have not used any emulator because it's not possible to emulate these features because these features are very much hardware dependent. Overall, I'm teaching near about 20,000 students worldwide. So let's understand what topics will be covered in this. I'll start with the introduction to DC switches. So in this section, you will learn about the theory of data center Nexus devices like Nexus 5K differences, 7K, 9K, 2K, the naming convention. Second section will talk about the unique features about Nexus. I'll take you to CLI, will show you how the commands are run, how different these are. Then the feature set, features, licenses will be covered because it is very important that we have the license to be able to run any feature. For example, if I want to run OSPF, I should have the relevant license and then feature. Okay, you'll understand more once you go into this. VDC will be covered, facts will be there, means I have performed the labs on these. VPC is there, that is multi-chassis port channel. You would see a VPC with fax, fabric path, VPC plus and OTP have been covered. You'll also understand how to set the checkpoint and roll back the configuration. I have covered the topic like span, span, and ACI is also covered. You'll see a lot of labs in this. Apart from it, there would be many topics which you'll find. So let me show you about the main page. Okay, you can see that the bestseller tag, it is there. 1,447 ratings have been given by students worldwide. 20,000 plus students I'm teaching. 7,307 students have enrolled into it as of today, that is 22nd of November 2019. The price is being shown in offer. 18.5 hours is the length. These many articles are there and it's a lifetime access. You will be able to see all the topics which I'll be teaching. You must know that GNS3 will not work here. Okay, in case you are thinking that you will be able to practice Nexus on GNS3, it is not going to be possible. Let me show you some of the feature reviews. You can see what people have written about me. So these are the sections. First section, second, then VPC section, VDC, fax, VPC, fabric path, embedded services like span, span, checkpoint, rollback, NetFlow, ACI is there, and 3 more sections. Okay, VXLAN first lecture is covered for this. This is my profile, and this is what people are talking about. You can read all of these comments, feedback to make sure that you are into the right course. And in case you have any doubt, you can reach out to me in Q&A section. I'll try to jump on it as soon as possible. And If you're not happy with the course, you have an option to refund within 30 days as per policy. See you in the course. Thank you so much.